8 simple ways to transform your thoughts from negative to positive. When you get stuck in negative mode, you may find yourself in this state for an indefinite period of time. If you want to know how you can put a stop to your negativity and transform your thoughts from negative to positive thoughts, then you're in luck, because this is the topic we're going to cover in this presentation. Number 1. Create positive affirmations. Positive affirmations aren't meant to be weak. They are supposed to be forceful and determined. Don't say I should. Instead, say I can, I must, I will. Number 2. Let go of the past. When you get caught up in the past and how it was better than the present, then you're stuck in negativity. To get unstuck, you have to learn to let go of the past and make the most out of what you currently have. Number 3. Count the blessings you have in your life. Count them before these are taken from you. Too often, we fail to see the gems right in front of us, and we yearn for something else. When you acknowledge your non-material wealth, you'll feel lighter, and you'll feel more positive. Number 4. Enjoy your achievements. Take a moment to pause and appreciate your achievements. Don't get too caught up in going up the next rung on the ladder. You've worked hard to get where you are. Relax for a bit and enjoy it. Number 5. Be playful. When you're stressed, do something that brings out the inner child in you. Play your favorite video game, or take your kids to the playground and play with them. You'll feel much better after. Number 6. Live in the present. Don't wallow in the past. The present is where all the action is happening. There's no way you can succeed in life if you still get hung up on your past. Number 7. Be satisfied with what you have. It's okay to yearn for things that are out of your reach and commit yourself to achieving these sometime in the near future. But you should also learn to be satisfied with what you do have in the present. Number 8. Commit to replacing negativity with positive thoughts. You have to acknowledge when you start thinking negative thoughts. Put a stop to it while it hasn't had time to ferment and poison your brain. Once it's squashed, replace those negative thoughts with positive ones.